Hi there! Have you ever wondered whether it's a good idea to seal tree wounds with paint or other materials? It's a question that has been debated among tree care professionals for many years. Some say it helps to protect the tree from further damage, while others argue it can actually harm the tree. So what's the truth? Let's start by understanding what tree wounds are. Wounds occur when a tree is injured, either naturally or from human activities. These wounds can expose the inner layers of the tree, including the cambium layer, which is responsible for the growth of new wood and bark. Now, some people think that sealing the tree wounds with paint can help protect the tree from further damage. However, research has shown that this is not the case. In fact, it may even slow down the healing process by preventing the tree from forming a natural callus over the wound. Sealing a tree wound can also trap moisture and pathogens inside the wound, which can lead to further damage and decay. Applying paint or other material to a tree wound can also cause more harm than good by blocking the tree's ability to exchange gases with the environment, which can lead to reduced growth and health. The truth is, trees have a remarkable ability to heal themselves. When a tree is wounded, it will form a callus over the wound to protect the inner layers of the tree from further damage. The callus will eventually grow over the wound, sealing it from the outside and preventing further damage. Prevention is key when it comes to protecting trees from wounds. Avoid activities that can damage trees, such as pruning during the wrong time of the year or using heavy machinery near the tree's roots. This paint is good to use when we graft trees, but to seal wounds is not very good. So it's ideal we use it only for grafting, as we can see on the picture. So in conclusion, it's not recommended to seal tree wounds with paint or any other material. Instead, let the tree heal itself naturally and focus on preventing further damage. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.